Alright, so what's up you guys? TDE back with another video. And actually guys, this is gonna be my first mukbang. And today I got Subway pizza. Of course I got me a drink. Oh, let me get my chips. Can't forget that. Alright you guys, so I'm back. I got my chips. Got my laid chips. This will be my first mukbang, so I see people that do it, but you know, I want to change it up on my channel. You know, since I always do cars and stuff like that. But if y'all never had Subway's pizza, they got some good pizza. Trust and believe, they really got some pizza. And I usually get cheese with pepperoni, and it's real good. Bon appetit. It's really good. Yeah, I highly suggest, if you guys never had their pizza, try their pizza out. It's really, really good. Have you some chips and stuff. It's a good combination. But yeah, because as I mentioned in my other video, I wanted to try to change up some things on my channel and stuff. So I'm always having cars and everything. So I want to spice it up, show a different side of me, and all that stuff. And so I was like, let me just, since I was getting hungry and I was craving pizza, so I decided, let me just go to Subway, get some pizza, and make a video out of it. So why not? It was really good. I try to tell them to put in there a little bit extra, a little bit longer, have a little bit more of like a crunch, golden crust type. So it's really good. So if any of y'all, let me know if any of y'all have eaten Subway's pizzas. But if you haven't, you got to. Yeah, I decided just to chill out the rest of the day. Saturday I was real busy. I was, you know, going back and forth from here to Fort Worth, Texas, and back all day yesterday. Actually, this whole weekend, because I spent the night at a friend's house on Friday night out in Fort Worth. Then came back on my other side of town, did what I had to do over here. And of course, like in my last video, I was talking about the speakers and stuff like that, and getting a sub box and a car amp. I got a car amp, and I just bought a car amp, so scratch that off the list. And I got the cables for my for the wiring and stuff, but still looking for a box or whatever. And I would like to get it done before the year is out, so we'll see. So it's all right. I just hope that everybody has a great Christmas and a New Year's, because I know I got a lot of stuff planned for the New Year's and stuff like that. Because Like I said, I got my birthday and we got the Cars and Clouds. It's gonna be all in one on next Saturday, the 29th. Cause my birthday's on the 30th. So yeah. I'm turning 31 years of age, 31 years of young, or whatever. But you know, I'm proud of myself that I made it up to, you know, to 31 years old. A lot of people can't say that because there's a lot of people that pass away young. But anyways, as I said before, count your blessings. Appreciate the stuff that you have and everything, because that's what I had to teach myself. Just appreciate that you're here, you know, enjoying life. And that's what I'm gonna do. You know, enjoying life, eating my pizza, hanging out with friends and family. Be thankful that you're here, that you're still here on this earth. So because every day is not promised. So see, with Subway's pizzas, it's like real thick. They're real thick. And they're like little small squares. I mean, not squares. Little small slices like that. But they're really, really good. I'm just glad that they got rid of that flatbread. Yeah, the flatbread thin pizza. I'll catch y'all in a minute. TDE is out.